From teen to gentleman, casual outfit tips for men over 30. Are you over 30 and still rocking the same styles you did in high school? It's time for an upgrade. Look, your wardrobe should evolve with you, and what looked cool in your younger years might not cut it anymore. Today, we're diving deep into how to elevate your casual wear and say goodbye to those outdated pieces. We'll discuss how to replace youthful staples like hoodies and sneakers with more elevated casual options like cardigans, leather boots, and chinos. We'll talk about the importance of fitted basics, avoiding overly trendy styles, and embracing timeless fashion. Stick around to transform your casual wardrobe and look effortlessly sharp. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Let's get started. Level up why your wardrobe needs an upgrade. Let's be real, guys. Your clothing speaks volumes before you even say a word. It's a reflection of who you are, where you've been, and where you're going. Think of it like this. Your outfit is your introduction. Now, a killer first impression that can open doors, spark conversations, and boost your confidence. As you grow older, your style should mature too. It's not about ditching your personality, but refining it. We're talking about trading those graphic tees and baggy jeans for a more polished, intentional look. See, the right clothes can project confidence and sophistication, whether you're at a job interview, a first date, or just grabbing coffee. Look, I get it. Comfort is king, but trust me, there's a sweet spot between feeling good and looking good. You can elevate your everyday style without sacrificing comfort. Remember those oversized hoodies? Yeah, they're great for lounging around, but not so much for presenting a mature image. Same goes for those skin-tight skinny jeans, not the vibe we're going for anymore. Shirts should lightly hug your frame without being oversized or skin-tight. It's all about finding that balance, gentlemen. So, are you ready to level up your style game? Let's do it. The Hoodie Swap embrace cardigans and jackets. Let's talk hoodies. They're comfy, they're classic, but let's be honest, they scream college dorm room more than refined gentlemen. Don't worry, I'm not saying to toss out all your hoodies. But hear me out, consider swapping them out for something a little more elevated. Enter the cardigan. This is a game changer, gentlemen. A well-fitted cardigan adds instant sophistication to any casual outfit. Think of it as a hoodie's more mature, stylish older brother. It provides the same warmth and comfort but with a touch of class. For a more modern casual look, a lightweight bomber or denim jacket is your go-to. Throw it over a t-shirt and jeans and boom, instant style upgrade. And for those occasions that call for a bit more sophistication, you can't go wrong with a tailored blazer. Here's a pro tip. Pair a cardigan with a plain t-shirt and slim-fit jeans for a polished yet relaxed look that's perfect for weekend brunch or a casual date night. See? Effortless style. It's all about making small changes that make a big impact. Gentlemen, your shoes are the foundation of your outfit. They can make or break your look. Now I know you love your sneakers, but it's time to explore a world beyond the gym shoe. Don't get me wrong, sneakers have their place. But for a more refined and adult look, we're stepping it up. Leather boots. It's time to embrace them. Whether Chelsea boots, chukkas, or classic lace-ups, a good pair of leather boots adds an air of rugged sophistication to any outfit. Not only do they look great, but they're incredibly versatile. Dress them up with tailored pants or down with jeans. Either way, you'll exude confidence with every step. Now if you're looking for a clean and versatile option that goes with everything, you can't go wrong with a pair of white leather sneakers. Think of them as the elevated cousin of your everyday sneakers. And for those semi-formal occasions, loafers are your secret weapon. They strike the perfect balance between casual and dressed up. Pro tip. Match your leather boots with chinos or dark denim for a versatile outfit that can take you from day to night. Remember, gentlemen, your shoes should complement your outfit, not overpower it. Okay, let's talk pants. Specifically, jeans. While those baggy jeans might have been your go-to in your younger years, it's time to embrace a more tailored silhouette. Trust me, a well-fitting pair of pants can make all the difference in how you look and feel. Chinos are your new secret weapon. They're comfortable, they're stylish, and they come in a variety of colors. Opt for neutral colors like navy, khaki, or gray. These are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down with ease. Of course, denim is a classic for a reason, but ditch the overly distressed or baggy styles. Instead, go for a dark wash slim or straight fit denim. These are timeless choices that will never go out of style. And here's a quick tip, always, and I mean always, choose pants that fit your waist and length correctly. If you need to, get them tailored. A little tailoring can make a world of difference. Remember guys, fit is king. Alright gentlemen, we're almost there. Now it's time to talk about the finishing touches. The details that elevate your look from good to great, accessories. Now when it comes to accessories, less is more. A few well-chosen pieces can make a big impact. First up, every gentleman needs a classic leather belt. It's a simple but essential piece that can instantly elevate your look. Next, a sleek wristwatch is a timeless accessory that adds a touch of sophistication. And for the colder months, a neutral scarf is a stylish and practical addition. Now, just as important as what you do wear is what you don't wear. Avoid anything too flashy or juvenile like oversized chains, graphic backpacks, or novelty hats. Remember, your accessory should complement your outfit, not overpower it. It's all about finding those subtle touches that enhance your overall look. So, to go from teen to gentleman, it's about making those subtle but impactful upgrades. Swap those hoodies for cardigans, your sneakers for leather boots, and those baggy jeans for tailored chinos or denim. And don't forget the finishing touches, a classic belt, a sleek watch, and maybe a scarf when the weather calls for it. Remember, style is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works for you, what makes you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. What's one style item you're ready to upgrade? Let me know in the comments. If this guide helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more men's style tips.